Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Btech Khaka. In this video, I will explain two big MNC company hirings. They are hiring for the interns and as well as experienced candidates also. Before starting the video, I kindly request you to please do subscribe to my channel for more updated job alerts. And if you like the video, please do the like. And back to the video. The company name is Poro. It is hiring for the full stack developer interns. It is for the hiring only for the intern, not for the full time. And the job location is Bangalore. And they are currently hiring for the two job roles. One is front end and another one is back end. Both are the full stack interns. And I said you earlier, right? The job location is Bangalore. And before applying to this job, make sure that update your resume and apply. And next hiring is from the Kiplo. They are hiring for the intern SDE 1, 2, 3 and tech lead and principal arc. Guys, it is for the freshers and as well as intern. They are checking the computer science and software development skills, knowledge in OOPS and good communication. Guys, not only this company, every company will see the good communication skills and as well as this company also. And make sure that before applying to this job, update your resume according to this company requirements, then only apply, so that you can hire easily in the screening of resume stage. That's enough guys. Thank you for listening, and make sure to subscribe my channel and have a nice day guys.